So here are all of the eyeshadows that I have basically took eyeshadows out of those palettes and made my own personal bench mix, you might say. Mixing different eyeshadows together, coming up with unique colors, and that's what I've got. I got this gorgeous blue. Look at that blue. Oh! And some purple. So I don't have blue or purple yet in my collection. I have green. I don't have orange. I don't have this rose gold or pink or browns, but these are some pretty nice colors. So you saw how I took the palettes apart and I just mixed all the powders together to make those. Experimentation. Here we go. So I have like this very weird thought. A nail polish wrap with these Believe Beauty Gel Effect Top Coat. I'm just gonna place on nail polish smells. Been working with gel, and most gels don't smell. Let's see if this turns to nail polish. Things you can do with your old makeup. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, let's see if we can paint a nail wrap before it dries. So here it is. It's already drying. Okay. That's already dry. That went fast. I have some acetone here. Clean up again. And then we'll let them dry. Seems like a lot of work for nail polish. I will say that right now. But it's an experiment. Most DIY projects are like, huh? That makes no sense. But I'm not saving any money here. I'm not saving any time here. I'm not saving anyone anything here. Just some neat ideas of what you could possibly do with old makeup. And it just may be a total dud. And that is this one right here. So what we'll do, we'll take some green. Let's do some greens. I love green. Green, 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 green. We'll take a little bit of that. Woo, that is such a rich color. Such a rich color. Thought I saw a hair in there. Wouldn't that be bad, having hairy nail polish? Okay, that's a little bit. We have to work fast. Get all the chunks out. Work, 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 work. It's not as forgiving. Oh, there's the hair. Ugh. Yuck. Alright. Paint this down fast because it's already drying. Yeah, it's already drying. It's done. So you have to work extremely fast. it's content, right? Are we enjoying ourselves? I don't know. Alright. Alright, let's put some top coat over the top of this experiment. Chunky, very chunky experiment. Just for thickness. And we're going to let this dry. Maybe for a day. Full 24 hours. What do you think? Think so?
2,000 years later.
I'm going to show you these wraps that I've had for a while. And since I've had them, this is like my first and second batch for my other videos. I'll have them linked in the description box. This one is still really good. It's pliable. It's not breaking. I can bend it in my fingers, so that's a good sign. Same with this one. Now these ones I think have turned brittle. Nope. That one I think is still good. If you can bend them between your fingers, you can still use them. But once they start breaking, no, that one's good. That one's good. So I think most of these have, oh, see that? Hear that crunch? Yeah. Yeah, that one's not going to work. So, yeah, once they get past a certain point, they've become hard. So yeah, that one does it. So that's how you can tell when your nail wraps have gotten too old. So we are going to do eyeshadow experiment here. We're going to put these back in the bag. And I made some up already here on this right here. And so we're going to lift this one up and see if it's pliable. Now these have been out in the open for a couple of days, and I think I can use that. Can use that one. This one, this is eyeshadow. Oh, nope. This one became brittle right away. So it really depends on how quickly. How about this one? That one doesn't seem too bad. I'll show you how I made them. Yeah, that one's usable. Put that one there. The eyeshadow got all over my mat. That's why it looks really dirty. Yeah, that one looks good too. And it seems like it's bendy. It's not breaking. That's a good sign. This one got a little bit textured. But yeah, that one, that looks good. Now the sides are a little bit brittle. Let's go for this green eyeshadow here. There's a little bit of texture. But I first clear coated the bottom, put the eyeshadow part over the top. That looks really pretty. And it's pliable. Okay, let's try this one. Yep, there it is. It's good. Let's try this one. That's pretty good too. Yep, that one's good because you can bend it. And it'll melt once you put eyeshadow. I mean, this over the top of it. It'll melt into the nail. You'll have a nail wrap. It is the Wet n Wild Shine nail color, but it is a clear nail protector. This stuff seems to work really good, and it's the ones that I use for my wraps. Okay, so I'm going to talk about application. How do you apply these nail wraps? Now, I put some acetone down on my nails. They're already cleaned out, and they look pretty good for now. So these are my nails, and we're going to apply a nail wrap. All right, so there's 3 on so far. I'm just going to put a little bit more of this over the top. All right, that looks really pretty. So far, they are textured, but not bad. All right, let's try the pinky. Now, let's size it first. We'll take this one. see which side is best. That one covers the nail pretty well. So we'll just take this and clip it. There's just a little bit there. Just trim it to whatever size. It's a guess. It's a guess. So we'll trim up this a little bit here. Make that a little bit more rounded. There we go. It's a little bit big, but that's okay. Get this clear on here. Hold that in place. There, it's starting to cure. You can break it with your fingernail there in the side as it does that. There you go. We're just gonna trim that. Oh no! That does happen. There you go. Get some acetone here. Melt that in all the way around. Get another layer on there. I'll update you on the longevity test of this.